Match starts in 3, 2, 1, go!
All right, folks, we're in qualification 19. We've got both teams coming in with a strong autonomous. 2974 explodes right over that driver's station. 2974 working hard to see if they can get those autonomous. Oh, and they've stuck on the charge station. 1414 just missed that balance as well. The scores are 18-10 coming out of autonomous. We are now in teleop, folks. The drivers are now in control of their bots. 6919 flying over the charge station to grab a piece. 3815 trying to do the same for the Red Alliance. 2974 racing over to the human player station to grab as many elements as possible. 6023 going to the Blue Alliance human player station to grab pieces as well. 5109 doing an almost early extend, but they luckily got the piece just in. 1414 going straight to the human player station to make sure that they can get as many points as possible. 5109 coming back with another piece in hand to see if they can get a Red Alliance points. 2974 placing another cube on the high shelf. 5109 trying to see if they can do the same with a high rug. 3815 trying to see if they can push an element into the bottom row. 2074 evading some defense from 1414 and 1623 in the middle, but they just slipped by. 5109 got another, waiting for another piece. 2974 matching them in the human player station to make sure they can grab another element. Ooh, and they just dropped the element. 1414, 6023, 6919. All headed to the blue line zone. And I see some defense from 6919, 1414 on 2974. The Blue Alliance is waiting in the middle for the Red Alliance cycles to make sure they can play defense. 2974 again struggling with that defense from 1414 and 6023, slowing down their cycle times. Oh boy, and they just slipped by into the Red Alliance human player zone. And 6023 to 1514 back at it again with that solid defense in the center, making sure 2975 does not get those speedy cycle times. We have entered endgame, folks. All alliances are against each other, playing some heavy defense in the middle, causing other alliances to drop cones. 6919 trying to push as many elements into the bottom row as possible. The Red Alliance has 4 links, the Blue Alliance has 3 links. Remember, folks, endgame can make a huge difference depending on how the alliance works together to get that final balance for their alliance. 5109 and 3815 working together to get that double Red Alliance balance, and they got it. 2974 inside the community zone. Oh, and Blue Alliance barely had that Blue Alliance balance. Let's see what the scores say in just a minute. All right, folks, we have your scores. The Red Alliance takes victory with a score of 113-70.